the unknown. Guys, walang tao. Welcome to the outside world, guys. It's currently 30. So nilalakad lang natin, guys, yung way going to our hotel from south. Look at our place. Hey guys, konnichiwa. This is Jay once again. Welcome back to Vlog Cetera. And we just landed here at the new Chitose Airport. We are currently here in Sapporo, in Hokkaido.
Until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings.
Diba nakarating din kami, we were thinking na magkakaroon ng mga delays or cancellation of flights because it is now raining hard in Manila, in Philippines. But finally we're here and it's past actually, past 7 p.m. Pero look at outside, maliwanag pa rin.
Hindi ka pwede mag-text. Whole day. Okay.
After doing of course the usual, yung pagbili natin ng SIM card to get connected to the internet, we are just going to check yung lounge here in the airport before we head to our hotel. Are you seeing that? Walang masyadong tao dito. Parang kami lang yung tao dito. Yung mga kasabay namin from the plane, nandun pa sila. They're getting their SIM card and baka nag-change pa ng money. But us here, we are going to 4th floor. Parang wala namang 4th floor because we are looking for the lounge. And we're now entering the unknown. Sabi kasi we need to enter to the hotel. And there should be an elevator here going to the 4th floor. Bakit parang nasa loob tayo ng museum? Yan. So, nandito na tayo sa 4th floor, guys. Hindi masyadong halata yung entrance nung going to the hotel and going up here. Kasi it looks like it's just a huge black wall, but it's actually an automated door. And bukas pa naman daw tong Cafe Sky Library, and this is actually yung lounge that we are looking for. Let's check it out.
Welcome.
And just like that, we're done. Char lang. Sarado na pala siya. Yung lounge na pinuntahan namin is open parang 11 until only 4:30 in the afternoon, and it's now 7 p.m. And by the way, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na hindi halatang entrance. It just looks like a wall, a black wall. Kaya hindi namin napansin agad kanina. Okay, we're going back there sa arrival area. And maybe we are now to head to our hotel. Nakita niyo yung 7:12 p.m. nila. Yan. Parang magsi 6 p.m. pa lang. Sayang ano guys, hindi natin na-try yung Cafe Sky Library. But we could try some other time. Nakikita nyo ba kung paano namumugto ang aking mata? We started our day today at 5 a.m. That's when we started preparing. And more than 12 hours na. Pero nakatulog naman kami sa plane because that's more than 4 hours of travel. Tignan nyo guys, walang tao here. Ayan, medyo madaming tao na here guys. Can you see that? Baka may bagong lapag ulit na eroplano. May kamahalan guys yung Wi-Fi and also yung SIM dito. Actually yung the one that we purchased is yung good for 10 days and it's 5,300 yen. So may nakita kaming ATM nung 7-Eleven and we were able to withdraw yung maximum na 20,000. And now we are off to JR train and then to our hotel. So at this side of the airport guys, ang dami ng shops everywhere. There are restaurants and other shops around here. At siyempre, madami na rin tao. So may nakita ko dun kanina na ateng na kumakain ng Hokkaido ice cream. And over here, ayan may back. Yan. Iba't ibang klaseng Hokkaido ice cream. We're going to try that. So ang dami niyong pwedeng mabili, makainan on your way here to JR train. And bababa na tayo. Ayun, we were able to secure our JR ticket. So let's get inside. Yung nakuha naming ticket is yung 1951 going to Sapporo. Nabili lang pala namin kanina is just actually the reservation. But the mismong ticket going in, hindi namin na-purchase. So if you are confused dun sa mga machines nila, you could actually go straight to the ticketing booth. They would help. Hey guys, we're now in Sapporo Station and we exited dun sa South Gate and this would be our way going to our hotel. Welcome to the outside world guys. It's currently 8:30 in the evening. Yeah. So we are here at outside the Sapporo station. So nilalakad lang natin guys yung way going to our hotel from south exit of Sapporo Station, and per Google Map na sinusundan lang natin, it should be somewhere here already. We finally found it guys. This is Coco Hotel at nandito na kami ngayon. Yan. I would be giving you another vlog to show you kung ano itsura ng room na to, but it's typically a small Japan hotel. And this one is called Coco. Look at our view guys. We are by the road at parang may ginagawa outside. So it's 9 p.m. and I think we're just gonna go out again and get our dinner and be back here to rest. So right dito sa baba ng hotel guys, merong kainan. Pero parang puro nag-iinuman sila. So let's find for other place to eat. And it's now past 9 p.m. Here's our kombini dinner. Itadakimasu.
Cracky.